Want to be able to quickly find a photo, video, or link you were sent on iMessage without scrolling back in your conversation to find it? You'll want to check out this awesome hidden iMessage feature. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily find all your media and links from iMessage chats in one place. Now let's get started. To easily find all photos, videos, and links in an iMessage conversation, open the Messages app and go to the conversation you want to browse media and links in. Then tap the name or phone number of the person or people you're chatting with at the top. If you scroll down a little on this page, you'll be able to see all of the images and links that have been sent in your iMessage conversation. Tap a photo or video to view it at full screen size. And tap a link to open it in your browser or the corresponding app. Tap See All at the top right corner of either of these categories to see even more media or links. Here, the media will be categorized by all, photos, and screenshots. If you're in a group chat, the contact image of the sender will appear in the top right corner of each image. That's all it takes to quickly and easily find all of the photos, videos, and links you've sent and received in an iMessage conversation. For more helpful iPhone tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.